And we're now getting some more breaking news. Key RSS event was held in Mumbai. Salman Khan, Ranbir Kapoor were also present at this RSS event. RSS chief's big Swadeshi message at the meeting. Mohan Bhagwat says always vouch for Swadeshi goods and buy things that boost employment over here. So a key RSS event was held in Mumbai, and actor Salman Khan and Ranbir Kapoor were also present at this RSS event, and RSS chief gave out a big Swadeshi message at this meeting, saying that we must always vouch for Swadeshi goods and we must buy things that boost the employment in India. Let's listen in.
बाहर से क्यों लाना? बाहर से इसलिए लाना कि हमारे किसी का रोजगार उस पर चलता है। मट्ठा बेचने वाले अपने यहाँ लोग हैं, मट्ठा बेचने वाली भारतीय कंपनी भी है। जो भी हम खरीदारी करेंगे अपने देश का रोजगार बढ़ाने वाली करेंगे, और नीति के स्तर पर हम कहेंगे कि ऐसे लेंगे, लेन देन तो करनी पड़ती है अंतर्राष्ट्रीय व्यापार में, आइसोलेटेड तो नहीं रह सकते। लेकिन जो भी हम करेंगे लेन देन वो हमारे अपने मर्जी से करेंगे, किसी के दबाव से नहीं करेंगे, टैरिफ को देखकर नहीं करेंगे।
And my colleague Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us on this story. Mustafa, a key RSS event was held in Mumbai, but what has caught everyone's attention is the presence of actor Salman Khan and Ranbir Kapoor at this event.
Well, it's a 3-day event which is happening in Mumbai on RSS completing 100 years. Sanchak was speaking at this event, and his speech was very important in the US-India trade deal. Many actors and celebrities are yet to be expected in this 3-day event to attend. But yes, the presence of Salman Khan, Ranbir Kapoor and other influencers also says that how the RSS has evolving around the society, and many aspects which were earlier not related to it or joined by it are now openly being joined. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thank you for those details. So a key RSS event was held in Mumbai. It's a 3-day event being held in Mumbai, but what has actually caught everybody's attention is the presence of superstar Salman Khan and also actor Ranbir Kapoor at this very event. And as my colleague Mustafa was mentioning, that other actors and influencers were also in fact present at this event.